Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you tap the Waze icon, the screen flashes, and then nothing. The app closes immediately. You can't even reach the main menu. So this is one of the most frustrating issues, but it's almost always fixable with a few simple steps. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix Waze crashing on startup, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First and first, try to update the app. An outdated version can cause the app not to open properly. Then also try to open the Google Play Store App Store and check for updates. If Waze appears and there are updates available, tap on it. Try to restart your phone. A simple restart can fix many app-related issues, including Waze not opening. Hold the power button and tap restart or reboot. Then try to clear the cache or reinstall. On Android, settings, apps, Waze, storage, clear cache. If that doesn't work, tap clear data as well. On iPhone, you can then easily install and reinstall the app, since you can't really uh, take a look or even access the cache options. And that's the main idea. For the checking the auto or the Android Auto connections, if you are using Waze on Android Auto, a clean reinstall is often the most reliable fix. In installing Waze from your phone, reboot your device, reinstall it from Play Store. Some users also recommend manually launching Waze each time rather than letting it start automatically. This bypasses the initial boot up bottleneck, and that's the idea. Okay, I hope I didn't actually forget anything. I think that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.